Millie.
So
Amelia, does it hurt?
what do you need? What's the matter? Is it ouchy? But it's so pretty.
It's very pretty. It's got pink
So
on it.
whoa, so pretty.
It's got pink.
Such pretty colors.
It's got pink and blue and purple and yellow.
So stylish.
It's so pretty on you.
Well, didn't I? You eating the banana? Mommy's eating a banana too. And graham crackers. Pretty good, huh?
You have a one-track mind. Do you want some milk? Hey, I have milk in the fridge for you. Do you want milk? Do you want milk?
Oh, with what?
Does that mean you don't want milk?
Why? Tell me why. Please help. Unbuckle it?
Oh no. Is she unbuckled?
Not buckled.
Are you kidding me?
I'm watching.
This child is unbuckled right now? For the
Just give Sandra
For the record, I did not put her in the high chair this time.
Elmo? You want milk? Oh, I want milk.
Oh, her cup is in the fridge.
Oh, that dog's barking a lot. Charlie, do you know where your cup went? Is this my milk? Oh, is it my sippy cup? Please? Whose is it if it's not mine? Is it Charlie's?
No.
Whose is it?
Charlie
it
says
Mommy's?
it's hers.
No.
Whose is it? Aunt Sandra's. What's on the cup? Who's on there? What is that? I don't know whose it is. Oh, Cinderella? Yeah. I know. Is this Pancho's milk?
No.
Are you sure? Where should I put it?
Whose is it?
Right there? All right. You'll watch it for me? Okay. Millie, say thank you. You say thank you? Is that your milk? No?
No, thank you.
You're shy. Oh, it's your milk. I see. Sit down, Pachi. What is wrong with that dog? Charlie, where did you put your sippy cup? They are. I'll go to my Sure, hush. Is your shirt on backwards? I mean, why is your shirt on backwards? Oh, the dog's in the food.
Who's that?
Panchi, come here. Pancho, let's not go with the food. You want a treat?
Bib. Hi, Millie.
Oh, to the basement.
It's Super's bib? Super Dave doesn't need a bib. It's Pancho's bib? Pancho's milk?
Yeah.
Okay, I started that. Watch the dogs and the food.
Yep.
I don't want to fight over that. Ben? Piper? We don't know.
My milk.
Don't drop
It's your milk. Whose milk?
I see
Whose milk?
it. Mine.
What's your name?
Oh. Oh.
What's your name?
It's hot. So it's hot. Here, this is a perfect cup. Amelia?
Amelia.
Good job.